Hello and welcome to this quick start guide to Primal Pictures Disease and Conditions. Disease and Conditions, or D&C, is an exciting addition to the Primal portfolio, leveraging our best-in-class anatomical model with expertly written, peer-reviewed clinical content. D&C really is the perfect resource for teaching and learning a huge variety of different conditions. In this video, we will cover the product layout and approach the content takes, as well as how to share, save, and embed content. It is worth noting that D&C has had a user interface update since its initial launch, which brings with it a number of benefits, including a more intuitive menu system, text which complements each condition, and many other quality of life improvements. So, to access D&C, either click on the module icon or perform a search for a condition. In the product, the menu can be found on the left, in the center is the main viewing panel, and on the right is where the educational text can be found. D&C covers many conditions across multiple specialty areas. These specialties can be seen here on the left, and these are visible by default when you open the module. While navigating D&C, this menu may be replaced with another, as we'll see later in the video, but you can get this menu back at any time by just clicking on the Specialties button here. We're now going to select Neurology, and with Neurology selected, we can now see a list of relevant conditions here on the top right. I can click on any of these to navigate to the selected condition. As you can see here, I can jump to multiple sclerosis, and then I can jump back to Alzheimer's. This list of conditions can be minimized just by clicking on the minimize icon here, and of course I can bring it back by doing the same. This is great for when you have found the condition that you wish to focus on and want to maximize the viewing space. As you can see here on the right, the majority of covered conditions contains a wealth of written information and associated videos and/or slide content. For example, I can play this Alzheimer's overview video, or I can select these slides to see them in more detail. Of course, this content all speaks to the text and will help understanding of the subject matter. Further down, on the majority of conditions, you will be able to access content specific to the causes, symptoms, and treatments. And you will also find a summary PDF here containing printable versions of the entire condition article. It's worth noting that, returning to the conditions list, you also have the option to expand the condition and filter the media content which is of most interest to you. For example, here I can open up Alzheimer's and jump directly to the slide content that I am interested in. Now, there are some tools just here on the left which we'll now take a look at. First, we have the ability to share. Simply click on the icon and then click on the button. The link will be saved to your clipboard, and you can simply use Ctrl+V to paste that into your learning management system, Word document, email, PowerPoint, etc. Someone clicking on this link will be taken to the exact view you have on the screen. Next, you can download any content in our product if you have an active institutional license, and so long as you are using it within your institution. So long as you have that license, you are completely covered for copyright. Now, simply open the download menu and click on the Save Image button. You can do this with movies as well. Please bear in mind that our PDF content can be downloaded, but in a slightly different way. To download a PDF, select it as was shown previously in this video, move your mouse over the image and use the toolbar that will appear at the top of the screen as you can see here. And then we have our ability to embed. All interactive elements can be embedded into your learning management system or virtual learning environment. Simply choose the appropriate options and a piece of code which can be put into your online environment will be generated. If you are looking to embed the condition text as well, please be sure to toggle on the Embed Text button, as can be seen here. Do be aware that if you have Alzheimer's selected as we do here, then embedding will take all of the associated Alzheimer's content and place it into your online environment. It will not embed any of the other conditions associated with, in this case, neurology. If you do not see the embed icon on the left menu bar, please do get in touch with us at clientservices@primalpictures.com. We may need to activate it on your account. Finally, we offer an A to Z index of all content which can also be filtered to show only specific media types, and we have the ability to save favourite views or condition articles. These favourites can be organised into folders, as can be seen here, and please do be aware that the favourites are saved onto your own computer and will not be visible to anyone else on your institutional account unless they are using that same computer. In summary, D&C provides a comprehensive and powerful tool for teaching and learning about conditions. It is perfect for any environment, including an exclusively online or distance learning curriculum, and is a wonderful complement to the portfolio of AMP content Primal Pictures offers. And that brings us nicely to the end of this video. From all of us at Primal, we hope it's been useful, and if you have any further questions or would like a more comprehensive run through of our products, please do visit the help resources which can be found here, or contact us on client services at primalpictures.com. Many thanks.